Hello, Danny Brown here from MarineMax in Palm Beach. Here today looking at the new Ocean Alexander 43 Divergence. This boat's located at PJ Marina in Palm Beach Gardens. Beautiful looking boat. It's powered by quad Mercury 400Rs with joystick and bow thruster. Huge cockpit area here. That table folds in half and disappears into the floor. Transom seating, and then back here, just step aboard. 3 seats at the helm. Converts to a summer kitchen. You have a hot plate, grill, 2 refrigerators, triple Garmin screens at the helm. Down below we have a dinette that converts into a bed, separate head. So good size head, separate shower stool. Moving up to the bow area, tons of seating for entertaining around the bow. Nice lounger. Full electronics, radar, sat TV, night vision. Come and take a look at this boat. It's located at PJ Marina in Palm Beach Gardens. My name is Danny Brown. You can call me on 561 800 4339.